Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the government job, PhD, work from home job, school teacher and the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the permanent non-teaching recruitment notification from one of the government college. And here the any graduate and any postgraduate, even though if you're a fresher or the experienced, here the opportunities are there. And you can get up to 1,12,400 rupees per month and above also you can get, guys. And the last date to apply is 1st Jan 2022. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in this pandemic situation. And to get the more videos or the notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification from the government college. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is a Motilal Nehru College from University of Delhi. So here we got one recruitment notification from this college case, that is online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following permanent and non-teaching post of the college. And you may check down here, the name of the posts are mentioned here: senior personal assistant, senior assistant, senior technical assistant, semi assistant and professional assistant, assistant UDC, laboratory assistant physics department, junior assistant, laboratory attendant in the chemistry department, and a laboratory attendant in the physics department, as well as the computer laboratory, and the library attendant also required. So here the pay scales are also mentioned here, guys. So you may check down, as well as the maximum age limitations and the number of posts also clearly mentioned as per the caste category wise. Okay. And coming to the each and whatever the 11 posts are there, for all the 11 posts we will see one by one the qualification, essential eligibility requirement. Okay, so first one, coming to the senior personal assistant, bachelor's degree from a recognized university, at least 3 years of working experience must be there, and the skill test norms, okay, the dictation, transcription and the computer proficiency are mentioned here. The desirable is not the mandatory. And coming to the next one is the senior assistant, any graduate, any postgraduate from recognized university in any discipline with working knowledge of the computers. So here, whatever the specialization you might be in the graduation or the post graduation, and even though if you are a fresher or experienced, then you can apply for the senior assistant. And for the senior assistant, in this table they mentioned that the scale of pay is level 6, okay, that you may check down. And the level 6 7th CPC, here it is a starting pay scale is 35,400 and the highest pay scale is 1,12,400. okay. And coming to the remaining positions also, we will check down the eligibility criteria. So assistant, any graduate, okay, even though if you are a fresher, then no problem, with good working knowledge of the computers. And the next one is junior assistant, a senior secondary school certificate +2 or its equivalent qualification from a recognized board or a university or the institute, and having a typing speed of 35 words per minute or 30 WPM in the Hindi typewriting. Semi-professional assistant, graduate in arts or commerce or science or any other discipline or any higher other qualification, and bachelor in library science, course in computer application at a graduate or the PG level or 6 months computer course. And the laboratory assistant physics should have passed the 10+2 or an equivalent examination with the relevant science subject, or else the graduation with the relevant subject. Next, laboratory attendant physics, so 10th, and the laboratory attendant in the chemistry 10th pass, library attendant 10th passed from any state education board. So certificate in library science or library and information science must be there. And the laboratory attendant computer lab, so 10th class with science subjects from recognized board. Senior technical assistant, BE or BTech in computer science or computer engineering or computer technology or information technology, or electronics or electrical or electronics and communication, or else the MSc computer science or MCA with 1 year experience in programming and the database management or the networking administration in a research or educational institute or the commercial service industry establishment of repute. So these are all the total 11 different posts as well as their qualifications and the pay scale. So you may check down, guys. And the age limitations relaxation is there as per the to the candidates whoever belongs to departmental candidates, SC, ST, OBC, PWBD, ex-servicemen will be as per the University of Delhi rules. Okay. And The upper age limit and minimum educational qualification for the post shall be determined as on the date of publication of the advertisement. And here the few more points are also given here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the application fee, unreserved or the OBC 250 rupees for each application, SC ST 100 rupees for each application. I mean, you can apply for the multiple positions also, guys, no problem if you are eligible. And for women or PWD, nil, there is no application fee. So applications received without complete information will be rejected. Applicants are required to download the copy of online filled form. That means you need to fill up the online application form, guys. And after filling up of the online application form, you have to download that one. Okay, with enclosures, educational DOB experience caste certificate, and submit the same to the principal, Motilal Nehru College. Okay, here the address is also given here, by 1st Jan 2022 till 5 PM by speed post only. And the envelope containing the hard copy should be superscribed as application for the post of what. Okay, and yeah, few more points are given here, so you may check down, guys. And whatever the online application form link is there, that link is also kept in this website, see, in this PDF. So candidates are required to apply on the link is given here, available on the college website itself for filling up of the online application form. Got it? So last date for filling up of the online application form is 1st Jan 2022, and the sending of hard copy is 3rd Jan 2022. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the job opportunities in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam. For the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine, and the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2, and the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. but under the subscription you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want